Tired of the mess in your car? In today's video, we're showcasing the 5 top car vacuum cleaners for 2025 that will take your cleaning game to the next level. From powerful suction to portable designs, these vacuums are built to tackle every corner of your car effortlessly. Whether you're on the go or need deep cleaning, we've got the best picks for you. Stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for your car. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, Balashov Handheld Home Vacuum Cleaner. The Balashov Handheld Home Vacuum Cleaner, a compact, rechargeable and powerful cleaning solution for home and car use. With its 10,000 PA strong suction, it tackles dust, debris, and even stubborn pet hair effortlessly. Designed for convenience, it features a 0.5 L dust box for easy disposal. The flat suction nozzle ensures deep cleaning in tight spaces, reaching every corner with precision. Need to clean up wet messes? No problem. This vacuum supports both wet and dry functions, making it a versatile choice for any home or car. With wireless operation and a rechargeable 7.2-volt battery, it provides hassle-free cleaning on the go. Lightweight yet powerful, the 120 watts motor delivers strong performance anytime, anywhere. 4th product on our list, Xiaomi Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Xiaomi 1,290,000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, portable, and wireless cleaning solution for your car and home. Designed for convenience, it offers unrestricted mobility, making on-the-go cleaning effortless. Weighing just 550 grams, this vacuum is easy to handle and store. Its dual-use capability means it works perfectly for both car interiors and home cleaning, giving users more versatility. With an impressive 1,290,000 Pascals suction power, it tackles even the most stubborn dirt and debris. Plus, the 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Compact, efficient, and powerful, the Xiaomi 1,290,000 Pascals Car Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for every car owner. Get yours today and experience effortless cleaning. 3rd product on our list, Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Cenrr 998000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, cordless, and portable vacuum cleaner designed for cars and homes. With its 100 watts motor, it offers an impressive suction power to clean all surfaces with ease. This handheld vacuum comes with multifunctional nozzles, including a combined brush for tackling dirt in hard-to-reach spots. It's ideal for wet and dry cleaning, offering versatility for various cleaning needs. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, the Cenrr 998000 PA is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for both car and home use. The HEPA filter ensures efficient filtration for cleaner air. With a dust cup for easy disposal, the vacuum also features a long-lasting Li-ion battery for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Compact, powerful, and wireless, the Cenrr 998000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for anyone who values a clean, spotless environment. Get yours today. 2nd product on our list, Baseus A0 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus A0 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner, the perfect blend of power and portability for your car. Weighing just 408 g, this mini vacuum packs a punch with 30 W of suction power. Designed with a 2-in-1 suction nozzle, it's easy to clean all areas of your car. Whether it's dust on the dashboard or crumbs between the seats, this vacuum has you covered. The wireless design gives you full mobility, while its mini size allows for effortless storage and easy handling. With a 4,000 mAh battery, the vacuum delivers up to 30 minutes of cleaning time. Charging is quick, about 3 hours with a Type-C charging port. Compact, efficient, and powerful, the Baseus A0 Pro Car Vacuum Cleaner is your ultimate cleaning tool for a spotless car. 1st product on our list, Original Xiaomi Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The original Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, your new solution for quick and powerful cleaning. With its 13 kilopascals suction power, it's perfect for cleaning both your home and car. This lightweight vacuum weighs less than 3 kilograms, making it easy to maneuver and carry. It comes with a 0.5 L dust box, allowing for efficient dirt collection without frequent emptying. With a Li-ion battery offering up to 1 hour and 40 minutes of battery life, you can clean your entire space without interruptions. Charging is quick and convenient with the Type-C port, ensuring you're always ready for your next cleaning session.